After almost 40 years of Ronchini Massimo SRL, from now on we will be recognized in the market as RM Technologies. We decided to rebrand our company because we are establishing great networks and partnerships with international customers and distributors, and we really would like to give to the market a new image with a complete new machine ranges and a new brand. The new brand again is RM Technologies, and this will be our face to the market in Italy and all over the world. We are establishing great relationships with distributors in North America, in the UK, in France, in Eastern Europe and in Germany. In the new website you will have the chance to see all of our machines with 3D rendering videos, 360 degrees, and discover all the features of the new machine model year 2025.